I will explain how to make people respect you instantly by changing how you use your body and your voice. Respect is not something you ask for. It is something people decide to give you in the first few seconds of meeting you. First, take up more space. When people are nervous, they try to make themselves small by slouching or looking down. This shows others that they are afraid. To get respect, you must do the opposite. Keep your shoulders back, your head up, and move slowly. This tells the other person's brain that you are calm and not afraid of anything. People instinctively follow those who look relaxed and in control. Second, hold your eye contact. Most people look away too fast because they feel nervous. If you are the first one to look away, it makes you look weak. By keeping steady and comfortable eye contact, you show that you are confident. This simple act forces the other person to realize that you are a strong individual who is comfortable with social pressure. Third, use the power of the pause. People who feel unimportant often talk very fast because they are afraid someone will interrupt them. They use words like or to fill every second. Leaders are comfortable with silence. By pausing for a few seconds before you speak, you show that you own the time in the room. This makes people listen much more carefully to what you have to say. The reality is that people do not respect you just because you are nice. They respect you because of how you carry yourself. If you act like you are not important, the world will agree with you. But if you act like a leader, people will treat you like one. Subscribe for more.